Hi friends, my name is Gracie. I'm the Parent Star Specialist here at the Children's Museum Houston. Welcome to another Tuesday Brain Builders activities where we make science, reading, and math super fun. Now, today I have a really cool activity and I would like to thank the McGovern Foundation for sponsoring this activity. Because today we are going to be making a rain stick. Alrighty, for this activity what you're gonna need is a pair of scissors, a paper towel roll, some rice, a spoon, some aluminum foil, and some markers, stickers, or whatever you would like to decorate your rain stick with. Alright, first I'm gonna move everything aside and just grab my foil. I'm gonna take out a little piece about this big. Next, I'm gonna cut it long side in half. Like this, it doesn't have to be perfect, and I'm gonna smush it into two snakes. Like this. Next, I'm gonna twirl it around my finger to make like a spring, like this, around and around. All right, now I'm gonna set these aside for now. All right, we're also gonna need some painter's tape. So on one side of your paper towel roll, you are gonna tape it over and close it up. You can also put a piece of paper over it and tape it down, whatever you'd prefer. Okay, once you have it all taped, make sure there aren't any gaps where the rice could escape. If there are, you can just put some more tape and close it right up. Once one side is sealed, what you're gonna do is put your aluminum foil inside. Next, you're gonna grab around 2 spoonsful of rice and put it inside. Once that is done, you're gonna grab your tape and seal up the other side. Just like before, make sure there's no way for the rice to escape, and you should have a really cool rain stick. Now your final step is where you can get creative. Grab markers, stickers, crayons, whatever you have on hand, and decorate however you'd like. Thank you so much guys for joining us. I hope you enjoy the activity. It is a great way to talk about rain, about sounds, about music, and making your own little musical instrument. Once again, this has been Gracie from the Children's Museum of Houston. Until next time, bye!